Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramon. And if you're old here, my name is still Ramon. Why would it change? In this video, we're gonna build 3 Father's Day gifts. So shout out to all the fathers out there. For me, it's not the same because I lost my dad a couple years ago. So if you lost your parent, I get it. But if your dad is still around, make sure you show him some love, especially, well, if they're a good parent, actually, because there are some really crappy ones out there. Anyways, we're gonna build 3 gifts today. One out of a mop handle or a broom handle, whatever it is, a scrap piece that I can't remember which project I used it on, and this puppy right here. So we're gonna leave this for later. Let's get started with the first project. Kaboom! I don't know why I did kaboom, but. All right, gang, so first I'll be starting off by using these 2-inch pieces of walnut, and whatever this one is, I'll be using these to make some customizable bottle openers. And I know you've probably seen a million of them before, but this is my take and my twist on them. I won't take too long to cut these out on the bandsaw, but I will be designing the shapes in my laser picker design studio. Then I'll be using that to kind of engrave the outline and then bring it over to the bandsaw and cut it out. So let's go. I also have one of these scrap pieces that I'll be using to make a bottle opener out of as well. So let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and add these in here. Just randomly lay them out. Think like that. I think that should be good. All right, there you have it, guys. I have all the templates made or the outlines made. Now I'm going to take it over to the bandsaw and get to work. All right, gang, so first of all, I went ahead and did some test fits on the, test cuts on the not the bandsaw, the drill press. However, it wouldn't be a video of mine without mistakes. So this bad boy fits in here perfectly fine, right? Wide enough. Look at this one. You can hardly see it, but it's bleeding over the edges. So this one is no good. I'm still gonna drill it anyways. This one is extremely close. So this one's also kind of ruined. And then this bad boy is basically the same way. So they're all ruined per se, except this fat boy. There you go. All right, so that one's good. Oh my days. Well, yeah. That looks so stupid. Wish I had a grinder to grind off the sides. But I don't have a grinder. All right, gang, I just changed out the bit, and now we're gonna go a little bit deeper. Drill these holes a little bit deeper. And by the way, I did pick up these from Amazon. I think it's like a 50 pack, which is absolutely ridiculous for me right now. But that's what I decided to get because I do want to sell some of these. All right, there you go. I got all these added in. Just need to do a couple more things. Need to drill some holes in each of these, and I might put a magnet in here, but we'll see. Now I'm gonna drill some holes in these, and I'm gonna try my idea out that I have, you know, because I clearly ruined this bad boy. Look at this. True Ramon fashion. All right, gang. Here we go. This is the idea. Just rounding the whole top off. I I sanded the face of this as well, and you can see that rubbed the brass off, and now it's all silver. And I touched it. I wish that was on camera so you could see. And it's hot. If you sand metal, it's gonna be hot. So just FYI to those out there who's not as who's I guess as dumb as I am. Alrighty, I worked on these design in Canva. Cool dads only. It's beer o'clock and take your top off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the laser. Gang, now listen, I'm not gonna show you the results just yet. We're gonna wait until the end of the video. I'm gonna immediately start working on the next one. And as you can see here, I have a flat sheet of walnut in here, and this is the design I'm going to do on here. Now, as I get this started, I just want to give a massive shout out to Laser Pecker, because without them, I would not have had this. And let me tell you something, I have been missing out. I'm incredibly happy that I have this bad boy right here. So thank you again, Laser Pecker, for sending me this device, this beautiful machine. The link for it will be down in the description, so make sure you take a look at it, check it out, see if it's for you. But I'm telling you, having this will seriously increase your workflow, increase your profitability if that's what you're in woodworking for. So anyways, enough of the tick chat. Let's get the ball rolling. Another thing I like about this is you can have a live view going on right out here. This is taking, I think that says 15 minutes, but it's inaccurate on there. It's gonna take 12 minutes. That's one thing I don't like about this. The timing on here is never accurate. It's gonna take around 12 minutes to get this puppy taken care of. So, what's gonna be 12 minutes for me? It's gonna be a minute for you. No, it's gonna be 2 seconds for you. So, see you there. Actually, let me put you up here so I can do the transition properly. It's probably gonna take a second for you, but it's gonna be 12 minutes for me. So, see you in a few. And there you go. We are done. Let me show you what's going on. So, over here, see we have success. It's completed. Now let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, freaking amazing. Amazing. This daddy needs a bear. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so now the goal is to cut these down into, I think I'm gonna go with like 1/2 inch thickness. Cut my mop handle down to 1/2 inch thickness. So I'm gonna see what, it don't need to be 1/2 inch actually. I'm just gonna gauge this with, give it the good old one eyeball gauge. Yep, I think that is perfect. All right, gang, now we got these all cleaned up. This is also done. And I'm sure you know where I am going with this now. Yep. It's coming together very nicely. Now, I'm gonna, of course, engrave on these bad boys. And because I've kept you long enough, I'm going to skip towards the end once these are all taken care of. Now, guys, it is all said and done. Look at this beautiful checkers board. Look at this beautiful checkers board over here. What y'all think about it? Amazing. Just for dad. Maybe I should have engraved something dad related, but I think tools are. Let me stop before I get canceled. But look at these bad boys. Cool dads only. Take your top off. The only thing I don't have out here is a drink. And I don't have a drink. Gosh. All right. And this is, I don't know which one is my favorite. I'm going to get this mounted. I should probably not drink in the shop. Probably going to install it right here. Yep. This daddy needs a beer. So when all this said and done, this is what we're looking like. These are all the projects. Let me know which one's your favorite. And if you want a chance to win one of these, I think I'll probably go live and raffle these off for $5 a piece or $5 an entry. Well, that's all I got, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.